We have another example on the board. This time we have angle beta expressed in radians. So the very first thing which you're supposed to do, you're supposed to switch your calculator to radians. And we have given length of side A. We're supposed to find the length of side B. We're supposed to find the length of side C. And we're supposed to find the angle alpha. Now, we're supposed to look at the formulas with angle beta. Why? Because beta is given. Side A is given. So, because angle beta is given and side A is given, I can find B using formula for tangent. Also, because angle beta is given and side A is given, I can find side C using formula for cosine. But I'm going to first find, for example, B. I'm going to use formula for tangent beta. Why for tangent beta? Just in order to practice different ways to solve this problem. So I have tangent beta is equal B over A. In order to solve this formula for B, I'm supposed to multiply both sides of the formula by denominator of the fraction. So A and A will cancel out, and I have B is equal A tangent beta, where A is equal 3.65 centimeters, tangent of 0.644 radians. Plug in these values into the calculator, but keep in mind your calculator must be switched to radians because angle is expressed in radians. So B is equal 2.74 centimeters. This is the length of side B. In order to find the length of side C, this time I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem. But someone is going to say, yeah, but you can also use formula for cosine. This is true, because beta is given, A is given, so we can find C. We have angle beta is given. We found the length of side B, and we can find C. And also we can use Pythagorean theorem. But this time we are going to use Pythagorean theorem. We have C squared is equal A squared plus B squared. So if C is equal square root A squared plus B squared, which is equal square root, open parenthesis. Don't forget about parentheses. Parentheses are very important, especially when you use the calculator, okay? So open parenthesis, and I have A, which is equal 3.65 centimeters to the second power plus, open parenthesis, B we found is equal 2.74. So 2.74 centimeters to the second power. Okay, use the calculator. You're supposed to get the answer 4.56 centimeters. Okay, this is the length of side C. In order to find angle alpha, you're supposed to remember that alpha plus beta is equal 90 degrees, but this time we talk in terms of radians, so 90 degrees convert to radians is equal pi over 2. In order to find angle alpha, I'm supposed to move beta to the right side of my formula. So if alpha is equal pi over 2 minus beta, where pi over 2 minus beta, which is equal 0.644 radians, is equal 0.926 radians. Okay, so we found the length of side B, length of side C, and we found angle alpha. So we can say that the problem is solved.